And I'm here today to tell you a special story. And that special story is my scouting adventure. Because my scouting adventure isn't like the 15 scouts that sit here today. I faced many challenges that many of you will never face, or that you will face that I will never face. My scouting adventure was very well embraced because of certain people, such as Mr. Spears, when we drove to Colorado and ate pizza in that diner and watched baseball together. He didn't think we were going to win the game, but we did, and I kept on driving him the whole time back home. And then some other people, such as Mr. Carmichael, you've been my goose, and I've been Maverick. You've been my right-hand man this whole time. You've always been there for me. You've been the one who's guided me through everything that I've gone through. And my scouting experience is something that has changed my life forever, and it's something that I will never forget, because there are certain challenges and certain events and certain things that I went through that have made me a stronger man, such as going to my OA ordeal. My dad made me a really good, not so much of a bed, but it was like a little area where I put down my sleeping bag, and I didn't get any sleep that night whatsoever, because it was really, something was really bothering me. And then I wake up the next morning and I see my legs covered in sugar bites. I mean, from head to toe on my legs. And I came home and my mom was about to pull my dad's head off. It was like, what did you do to my son? But most of all, I'd like to thank you, Dad, because you have been an inspiration to me in this whole process, and everything that you do for me is a God-given talent, and I believe that the Lord has given you this passion to grow up with these young men and guide them to evil. And so I just want to thank you, and you have to promise me that you will do Scouts until the day you die. because it's the only thing that doesn't make him grumpy. It's the only thing that he gets happiness from. And I just want him to continue it, because he puts so much passion into what he does with the old son. He puts so much love into everything that he does, just like every other leader in our church. And I thank you so much, because your joy for this and your talent for this is truly given to you by the Lord, and I love you so much. And I thank you for everything you've done for me, carrying me to the Mexican border at Big Bend in my daughter with Mr. Solke and Mr. Spears, and just working your butt off for me and getting me to where I need to go and doing what I need to do and all of that. I thank you so much, because you've changed my life through this whole process. You've changed the way I look at challenges. You've changed my perspective on school. You've changed my perspective on my friends, everything. And without you and the assistance of other leaders, I could not have done this. And so I thank you so much. And finally, I want to thank all of my support system, Houston, Mike, Brent, all the people who came today to support me in this endeavor. I thank you so much. And I just want to leave you with this one verse from the Bible. It's Philippians 4:13. It's what I live my life by, and it says, For I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. And Christ has strengthened me through this whole entire process. And I'm so glad to be at the end with all of you, and I love you so much. I challenge you to embrace the rank of Eagle, as Jake said, and do the thing that an Eagle Scout would do, and be there for those people, because Eagle Scouts save lives, change lives, they really do. And I'm so glad to be a part of your brotherhood. Thank you so much.